Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys,
Bubba just crashed.
What you gonna do when they come for you? When you
What was a
work
boy?
and you had bad traits,
What?
you go to school and learn the golden rule. So I acting
okay.
like a bloody fool. If you get hot,
Yeah.
you must get cool. Bad boys,
I leave at 10:30.
what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your eyes you now give you no breaks. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey guys, I need to go to mental institution. Look at my face right now.
What you gonna do?
But I think he's bigger management.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Bailey!
Bad boys,
Bailey,
what you gonna
sit
do?
on
What
Brayden.
you gonna do when they
Sit.
come for you?
I just had a mental breakdown. I'm not gonna lie. This just happened.